Hello everyone, if you are a computer science student or if you have recently switched from a totally different field like medical to computer science, then this video is for you. I know the transition can feel scary, new terms, coding languages, it's a whole new world. But don't worry, by the end of this video you will know where to start, how to grow, and what to avoid on your journey to becoming a confident coder. So first thing, where should you start? This question is the basic question, date from where to start. So firstly, don't rush into fancy frameworks or AI tools right away. Start with the basic programming fundamentals. I personally recommend start with C++ if you want strong problem solving and logic building skills. But if you are more interested in mobile app development, then Dart is best basic programming language. But first, core programming concept is most important, like variables, data types, loops, conditional functions, arrays, and basic data structures. Now let's talk about the do and don'ts that will make your computer science journey smoother. Firstly, we will discuss the do and then don'ts. So firstly, make your own notes, short notes like idea to idea, not word by word. Just make short notes that will help you remember concepts. Then secondly, practice regularly. What you have learned, practice it regularly. The third one is stay consistent, learn daily. The last and most important do is not comparing yourself with others, because everyone has their own abilities, their own talent, so everyone is unique in their own way. Just compare yourself with your yesterday self, like what you have learned yesterday and what you have learned today. Just compare that work and it will show your progress, and not compare yourself with other people. Now let's talk about the don'ts. So what things we should avoid during our journey of computer science. The first and very important thing is never memorize a code. Just learn it, practice it, and clear your concept. The second one is never ignore fundamentals. Like most of the students at the beginning, they start from the advanced level, so they just ignore the fundamentals, and later they don't understand about coding basics, and it feels very difficult for them to code. The last one is don't expect instant results. Like most of the students start coding and after 1-2 months they just think that they are unable to learn code. So the reason is expectations. Don't expect instant results, it will take time. So to sum up, I will highlight some of the basic points from this video. The first one is start coding from the basic level like C++. It will also cover the fundamentals. The second one is make your own short notes, and in later video I will also discuss how to make short notes for coding. And the third one is learn and practice code daily and never memorize code. The last and third one is compare your daily work with the previous one, so it will show your progress. Remember that every pro developer once wrote their first hello world, so step in and start to learn code. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with your CS friends, especially those switching from medical or non-tech fields, and let's grow together in this amazing world of computer science. Thank you.